Most people think uninstalling OpenClaw is as simple as we go here in settings and then in apps and hitting remove. But it's not the case with OpenClaw. OpenClaw runs a hidden background service on Windows, a scheduled task that you won't find anywhere in your apps. And on top of that, it leaves behind config folder scattered across your system. In this video, I am going to show you the complete process to fully remove OpenClaw from your Windows 11. Alright, so for that, first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to kill OpenClaw process that is currently running. For that, simply press in your Windows Control, Shift and Skip key. That will bring your task manager. And now here what we need to do is we need to look for OpenClaw. Alright, so simply type your claw, and if you find any process, you need to kill that. And so far there is no process running in my system as I already closed it. Now we need to open PowerShell, and I would suggest you to run it as administrator. And here also we need to type the following command that I will be providing you in the description of this video, and then hit enter. Again, another command you need to paste and hit enter. Even if nothing shows, just simply run it. It won't cause any error. Now let's talk about step number 2, which is removing the scheduled task. This is the step that we sometimes miss, and it's the reason why OpenClaw keeps coming back after you think you removed it. OpenClaw registers a Windows scheduled task that auto start the gateway service every time you log in. The built-in uninstall command often fails to remove this task completely. So again, for that, first of all, we will be going back to PowerShell and run it as administrator. Now type following command, which is OpenClaw gateway uninstall. Once you do that, you will see that you will be uninstalling the OpenClaw gateway. And what a line by OpenClaw that I am like confusing at first, then suddenly you can't live without me. Probably you will think of stopping an installation right now. But if you really want to uninstall, then this is the way to go. Alright, so what we did here is we removed the scheduled task. You can also run this another command which actually gonna do the same, which is OpenClaw daemon uninstall. And it kind of, validate that we have removed OpenClaw gateway. Now let's press Windows key and I'm gonna type task scheduler. And now let's click here on task scheduler library. Now look for any task named OpenClaw gateway, which here I can see does not exist. If it exists, then you can simply make a right click and delete it. Now the next command will be uninstalling OpenClaw. That we can do using npm, and I am pretty sure that the npm is already installed because that is needed to install OpenClaw. So this is very generic command from npm. Whenever we uninstall anything using node package manager, we will be typing the following. Now again, you do not need to worry about all these commands as you're going to get all these in the description of this video. Now let's hit enter. After entering this command, you will see most of the thing from OpenClaw will be deleted or will not respond and will say that OpenClaw is not recognized. Even when we talk about our previous command that we run, for example, OpenClaw gateway install, now you're gonna see error because we now have removed it. Alright, now we have removed OpenClaw, but still its configurations and data folder exist. And you can delete those by simply typing the following command that again you're gonna get in the description of this video. Simply paste this command and run it. So this particular command will remove your user profile. Then the second command will delete data from app data. Then the third one will be removing local app data. And the last command, if in case you had set a config path through environment variable, then you can run the following command. Now let's confirm that if anything left behind or not. For that, we can run another command, which is the following. And if you do not see any output, then this command kind of confirm that there is no scheduled task from OpenClaw. Now the last thing what we can do is we can go and from here you can go to your Google account, and from here you need to go in Google account security settings and look for this third-party apps and service. If you find OpenClaw here, simply remove it, and that's it. OpenClaw is now completely removed from your Windows 11. And not only we remove OpenClaw, but we made sure that we remove all of its components. For example, we removed scheduled task. We of course uninstall the OpenClaw package. We deleted the config folders, revoked your OAuth tokens, and verified the cleanup, such that we make sure that there is no left over. If this video helped you out, a thumbs up really does help the channel. And if you are removing OpenClaw to try different agent, drop a comment. I might cover it next. And please make sure you subscribe for more such Windows tutorials. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.